Top 5 Most Beautiful Countries in the World. 1. Italy. With its stunning architecture, rich history, beautiful coastline, and rolling hills, Italy is a feast for the senses. From the Colosseum in Rome to the Leaning Tower of Pisa to the canals of Venice, Italy is a treasure trove of natural and man-made wonders. 2. Switzerland. With its soaring mountains, crystal clear lakes, and quaint alpine villages, Switzerland is a natural beauty. The country is renowned for its winter sports, including skiing and snowboarding, and for its picturesque hiking trails during the summer months. 3. New Zealand. This stunning country is known for its breathtaking landscapes, from the rolling hills of the South Island to the rugged coastline of the North Island. The natural beauty of New Zealand is highlighted by its stunning glacier, geysers, and hot springs, making it a true outdoor adventurer's paradise. 4. Iceland. With its glacier, geysers, hot springs, and rugged coastline, Iceland is one of the most unique and beautiful countries in the world. The Northern Lights, which can be seen during the winter months, add to Iceland's already stunning natural beauty. 5. Norway. With its fjords, waterfalls, and glacier, Norway is a natural wonderland. The country is also known for its picturesque villages and cities, including the capital city of Oslo, which is surrounded by forests and hills. Norway is also home to some of the world's most breathtaking landscapes, including the famous Geysers and the Trolltunga rock formation. These are just a few of the many beautiful countries in the world. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and there are many other countries that could be considered just as beautiful, if not more so, depending on personal preferences and experiences.